Hi, this is my What's in the Freeze challenge. Thank you, Jesus Mondiro from Spain. Thank you for the nomination. Today I'm going to cook for you all one of my favourite dishes to cook at home. It's going to be a Pan Seared Salmon. Just supermarket salmon, nothing special. It's all I could get this week, obviously because of lockdown. And I'm going to do it with one of my favourite sort of flavour risottos. It's Paella risotto. I have this on the menu at work, and also I do a lot at home. So it's a lovely simple risotto, but packed full of flavour. Okay. What you do need to do first, before you do anything else, is get a good chicken stock on, which I've got here. So a good chicken stock. I'm just going to infuse that with a little bit of saffron from Spain, and again, really good quality ingredients if you can. It will give you a nice, better flavour in the long run. This is a bit of stock. So yeah, so that's infused with saffron, and again I'm just going to let that simmer now. Infused just on low for another sort of good couple of minutes while I prepare my onions. So with all risottos, you want to again use good rice. I use a Borio rice. It gives a lot better texture. And again, with any risotto really, you can't speed up the process. You've got to be a long, slow, finely chopped onion and garlic to begin with. And then once you've done that, add the rice, so it's translucent, cook it out a little bit longer. Add some white wine, again good quality white wine. This is a white wine you want to drink. This is a Pinot Grigio from Italy, nice and dry. Also into the risotto, it's going to be some red pepper, some Spanish chorizo sausage, some tomato, some spring onions. This will be the base of the paella risotto, and we're going to finish that with some coriander. And then once we've all finished, some aged parmesan, a little knob of butter, and I've got some little herbs and stuff in the garden outside. So this is the risotto. Cooking the onions off. You don't want no colour, just as they are. Just sort of very hot, warm pan now. And that's the stock. So it's just chicken, onion, leeks, saffron. There's a little bit of celery in there, carrot, and obviously the saffron. So now we can add the garlic. So again, with the risotto, it's important that you just, when we've added the rice, we just want to cook that out so it's translucent. So we add the rice now. So obviously this is for two. Don't go mad because obviously it adds a lot in size. So now we'll give it a little stir. We get loads of messages now off the Italian JRE chef saying I'm doing it wrong, and I'm also a bit naughty because I'm mixing the Spanish paella with Italian rice and wine and being cooked by a UK chef, so I love this dish. So pan's getting hot now. The rice is just getting slightly translucent in colour. This is the point we want to add the wine. good glug of wine. So this is the point we just want to cook it out slowly. Little bits of liquid at a time. So once this white wine's reduced right down, we'll add some of the stock. This gives a lovely, creamy risotto. And again, you don't want to overcook this risotto because you want the texture to be sort of not al dente or almost al dente. You don't want it to be stodgy and overcooked. So that cooked right down now. Let's add a little bit of the saffron stock. Just cook that slowly down, bit by bit, and then come back to me. Now, while the risotto is on the cooker there, I'm just slowly cooking away. I'll keep an eye on it, obviously adding little bits at a time. We'll be preparing everything else that goes inside the risotto. So everything that goes in the risotto almost has to be the same sort of size-wise. So I'm just going to prepare the pepper. And again, you just want little even sized pieces, I'd say, almost half a centimetre cubed. You know, we're not in the restaurant now. It's almost relaxed. Everything doesn't have to be perfect like it does in the restaurant. And also, if you want, have a glass of wine at this point. Now, same as the tomato. Remove the seeds and the centerpiece. And half the tomato will be enough. But don't worry about concasse. Don't worry about taking the seed off. Just literally concasse the tomato. That will be fine. Now I quite like a lot of chorizo in mine. This is actually sort of cooked chorizo, so this wants to go in sort of before, so it releases all the flavour and the fats from the chorizo, so that goes into the risotto and almost flavours it up for the last 5 minutes. I can hear the risotto and rice, so I can add a little bit more. Lower that right down now onto half power. I haven't seasoned it yet either. I sort of season it when I put the sausage in, the chorizo, just so I know how much almost to put in. The spring onion, again probably about 3, and I actually like the ends as well. Just make sure it's all nice and clean. Give it a wash. And again, chopped up the same size as the tomato, the peppers. There we go. And then just a nice chunky bit of coriander. Probably my favourite herb. So, just show you this. So this is not too fine, not too rough, but this is all began in the risotto. Let's have a little look at the risotto now. So I'd say it's now sort of halfway through. Again, just a little bit by little bit. Not too much. And again, you see them lovely saffron strands, beautiful yellow colour. I can smell it, it smells amazing already.